Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is on and without chocolate cake, my Christmas would not start. Yum. So don't waste any time, let's begin the recipe. So first we have dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add maida or all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, salt and coffee powder, and all ingredients are sipped together. And mix and mix and mix. Oops, I have forgotten something. Yeah, baking powder and baking soda. Mix it again and keep aside, and let's move on the wet ingredients. So here I have 2 eggs and half cup of sugar. And of course don't forget to add vanilla essence and beat it until sugar dissolves. So okay, then add any type of cooking oil. Okay, so you can also use a butter, but make sure butter should be at room temperature. Okay, so now add dry ingredients gradually. Don't add them all together, then it will be difficult to mix. Now add buttermilk. You can use curd instead of buttermilk. Okay, so mix it and beat it again until make a smooth and silky batter. So you can stop here, but I make it more chocolatey, so add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. So beat it again and our cake batter is ready for bake. So pour into a greased round cake mold and slightly tap it, and let's move on the baking process. So here preheated karai is ready. Place the cake tin inside the karai and close the lid and bake. Okay, so after 45 minutes check the cake with a toothpick. So our cake is ready and let it cool down. So let's prepare the chocolate syrup. So add chocolate syrup about 2 or 3 teaspoons and add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it. So our cake is completely cooled down, and molded the cake and divided the cake into 3 parts. And let's move on to my favorite part, that is a decorating. Place the first layer, then spread chocolate syrup with brush, and then add buttercream and spread evenly and repeat the process. Yes guys, believe me, maybe cake decorating my favorite part, but the most struggle thing I do. Decorating with comb tool. I really don't know what to call it, so sorry for that. And I'm more decorating nozzles and some cherries and some colorful tutti frutti, and then here present your classic chocolate cake. And yeah guys, if you like today's video, please hit the like button, it encourages me a lot, and share with your friends, comment below, and please subscribe to my channel, and wish you a Merry Christmas. Have a great Christmas. See you again with a new recipe. So till then, bye bye.